Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview INTEX 18-foot by 48-inch Prism Frame Pool Set with filter pump, ladder, ground cloth, and pool cover. Durable and easy to assemble, Prism Frame pools feature all of the great benefits of metal frame pools and are enhanced with strong powder-coated steel tubing and a stylish, upscale-looking liner color. Hydro aeration technology has been incorporated into the cartridge filter pump, providing improved circulation and filtration, improved water clarity, and increased negative ions at the water surface. Product benefits: constructed with puncture-resistant 3-ply material. Includes a 110 to 120 V cartridge filter pump with a pump flow rate of 500 gallons per hour, pool ladder, ground cloth, and debris cover for convenience. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.